Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by preparing the tools. You need the universal remote, fresh batteries, and the Vizio TV turned on. Press and hold the remote setup or TV button until the indicator light stays solid. This puts the remote in programming mode. Once done, you'll either enter a code manually or use auto search. Make sure to have the remote code list or the model number available, because you'll need either the correct 3- or 4-digit code or the auto search routine next. Next, attempt code entry. Type the 3- or 4-digit Vizio code from your list, then press power to test. If nothing happens, use auto search. Press and hold setup, then press and release channel plus or power search repeatedly while the remote cycles codes. Watch the TV closely. When it turns off or responds, immediately press enter or setup to lock that code. If you overshoot, resume auto search. Make sure to test volume and input buttons to confirm full functionality. Finish by verifying core functions. Power, volume, input, and menu should work. If some buttons don't respond, try another code from the list or run the auto search again. Different code sets may map controls differently. If the remote behaves erratically, replace batteries and reprogram. If still failing, perform the remote's factory reset and start over. One troubleshooting tip: point the remote at the TV from a closer range and clear line of sight. Infrared issues often mimic programming failures.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.